Okay, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have vanilla chocolate chip cookies. Now, I've already taken the liberty of combining 1 cup of brown sugar and 8 tablespoons of butter. And basically, you want to beat the shit out of them until this mix is kind of light and fluffy. After that, you want to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then mix that around till the mix is emulsified. After that, takes about a minute for that to work. You want to add a teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So that's 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a single large egg, and a whole tablespoon of vanilla extract. Again, these are kind of rich cookies. So, I didn't stutter. 1 whole tablespoon. I mean, it's vanilla chocolate chip cookies. What do you want? And then you want to mix that around till everything is well incorporated and happy and wonderful and one solid homogeneous mess. Okay, and after it gets looking something like this, you want to add 1.5 cups of flour. In stages. Again, I usually get kind of impatient, so. But keep adding it until everything is all mixed together. And then we got one last step. Oh, by the way, you should be preheating your oven to 350 degrees at this point. Okay, and then you want to add 3/4 of a cup of dark, semi-sweet chocolate chips. This is the part where you have to stir it by hand. Just give it a few turnarounds with a spoon and you should be good. Or you could try to do this with a rubber spatula like me and realize you should probably get a spoon. Okay, so I just eyeballed these and I went for a little bit bigger than a golf ball. Then you want to bake them at 350 for 11 minutes at least, or until you think they're done. Again, this time you might want to err on the side of maybe a little underdone because of all the sugar that's in here. Then let them cool for 10 minutes before enjoying. Also, make sure you use a parchment-lined baking sheet. It just makes your life so much easier. Again, cooking times will vary depending on when you are, but at least 11 minutes. And after 11 minutes in the oven and 10 minutes of cooling, this is what you should be left with. And that's vanilla chocolate chip cookies. Easy and done.